Alright mga kapatid, balitang ibang bansa naman tayo mga kapatid, no. Pinaulanan ng airstrike, no, ang Houthi sa Yemen habang ito ay pinapanood ni President Donald Trump, mga tol. Sabi nga rito sa balita, no, mula rito sa One Indian News, ayan, no. Trump watches hell rain down on Houthis as US warplanes strike Yemen. Sabing ganun mga tol. Ito panoorin natin to, bigyan natin to ng reaction video mga tol and commentary. Sabi dito, Trump watches hell rain down on Houthis as US warplanes strike Yemen. The White House has released dramatic images of President Donald Trump, monitoring US airstrike on Houthi targets in Yemen, marking a major escalation in the conflict. Dressed in golf attire. Naka-golf attire si Trump, naka-red cap siya with a black headset. Siguro yung headset na yan, dun yung nakakausap niya kung yung control room kung saan na sinasabi niya kung ano yung mga aatakihin. Golf attire with a black headset and his signature MAGA hat. Make America Great Again. Yun. Trump was seen overseeing the military operation alongside National Security Advisor Mike Waltz and Secretary of State Marco Rubio. No, panoorin natin to mga tol. Sinimulan ng pag-atake, dire-diretso ang airstrike nila sa Yemen. Pinapanood niya, Trump oversees deadly attack on Houthis. US versus Houthi war begins. Nagsimula mga kapatid na ang digmaan nila. White House shared images of Trump monitoring US airstrike on Houthi targets in Yemen. So pinaulanan nila mga tol. In the first released image, Trump was dressed in golfing clothes. Siguro pagkatapos nito, pagkatapos niya paulanan ng Yemen, mag-golf na siya siguro. Nauna lang to. Wearing a black headset and a red MAGA hat autographed on the brim. Donald, ang nakalagay, Donald. US launch a massive offensive against Houthis in response to their sustained attacks on commercial vessels in Red Sea. So ito'y ganti ng Amerika dahil sa patuloy daw na pag-atake ng mga Houthi dito sa mga commercial vessels na dumadaan sa Red Sea. So ito ang kanilang response. March 16, 2025. Mga warship to The official post declared that the American economic and national security threats have been under assault by the Houthis. Pati ito mga jet fighter. In another image, Trump was captured from behind, intently watching the military strikes unfold in real time. So real time niyang pinapanood. Kumbaga siya ang director dito mga tol at talaga siya yung nag-aano rito. Siyempre, presidente siya mga tol Siya yung chief commander di ba? Nuutos niya, tirahin niyo na yan, paulanan niyo na yan, tapusin niyo na kung maaari. Sabi niya sigurong ganun, Alongside Trump, National Security Advisor Mike Waltz and Secretary of State Marco Rubio were seen monitoring the developments. So, pinapanood din nila. Rubio called Russian FM Sergei Lavrov ahead of strike to inform Moscow about US action against Houthi. So pinaalam muna nila kung ano yung gagawin nila. The State Department stated that Rubio's call was in line with previous agreements to maintain open diplomatic channels. Okay? Ibinablurred ko lang mga tol hindi kasi pwede ang ganyan Airstrikes were carried out in response to repeated Houthi attacks on international commercial vessels and US naval assets in the Red Sea. Yun nga dahil sa patuloy na pag-atake ng mga Houthi rito. Eto na, pinaulanan sila ng Amerika. Kumbaga, pinakita ng Amerika kung ano yung parusa sa kanilang mga ginagawa. Ano? Donald J. Trump posts from his Truth Social, sabing ganon. Today, I have ordered the United States military to launch decisive and powerful military action against the Houthi terrorists in Yemen, sabing ganon. They have waged an unrelenting campaign of piracy, violence and terrorism against American and other ships, aircraft and drones. Joe Biden's response was pathetically, tinira na naman si Joe Biden, weak, sabing ganon. So the arrest-trained Houthis just kept going. Mahina daw ang responde ni Joe Biden kaya patuloy ang ginagawa ng Houthi. It has been over a year since the US flagged commercial ship safely sailed through the Suez Canal, the Red Sea, or the Gulf of Aden, the last American warship to go through the Red Sea. 4 months ago was attacked by the Houthis over a dozen times, funded by Iran. The Houthi thugs have fired missiles at US aircraft and targeted our troops and allies. This relentless assault, Houthi naman pala umaatake sa kanila. Ngayon, binawian na sila ni Trump. This relentless assault have cost the US and world economy many billions of dollars while at the same time putting innocent lives at risk. The Houthi attack on American vessel will not be tolerated. We will use overwhelming lethal force until we have achieved our objective. The Houthis have choked off shipping in one of the most important waterways of the world, grinding vast swaths of global commerce to a halt and attacking the core principle of freedom and navigation upon which international trade and commerce depends. Yan, ito yung mga pahayag ni Trump. Masyado mahaba. Bahala na lang kayo mag-post niyan. In the same post, he stated as will continue using military strength to protect its national security and commercial shipping routes. Trump explicitly called on Iran to end its financial and military support for the Houthis. So panawagan niya na itigil na daw ng Iran yung financial and military support nila doon sa Houthis. Baka malamang Iran naman ang makalaban nila. The operation targeted multiple Houthi strongholds including missile launch sites, command centers, and key logistic hubs. So tuloy-tuloy no, ang ginawa nilang airstrike, talagang dinurog at pinulbos ng Amerika, mga kapatid, etong Houthis no. Panibagong simula na naman ng labanan to, mga kapatid no. Alright, so maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, mga kapatid. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.